Christmas speech. Respected principal, dear teachers, and my friends. Good morning to everyone. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the joyful festival of Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December to remember the birth of Jesus Christ, who taught us the value of love, peace, kindness, and forgiveness. His message reminds us the care of one another and spread happiness. On this day, homes and churches are decorated with light and Christmas trees. Children joyfully wait for Santa Claus, who symbolizes sharing and giving. Christmas is not only about gift and cake, but about helping others, forgiving mistake, and spreading joy. True celebrate lies in bringing smile to others' face. Let us promise to follow the path of love and humanity. I wish you all the Merry Christmas. Thank you.